Good morning, children. Open your EVS book. Today is our EVS period, and today's period I am going to teach you our food. Open your EVS book on page number 23, unit number 3, our needs. Lesson number 1 from unit 3, our food. Yes, children, first tell me, are you eating food? Yes, we are eating food. Yes, so many food are there. Chapati, bhakri, yes, dal, vegetables, so rice, we can eat. Yes, no? See, children, if you can't eat one day, 2 day, then what happen? You are not feeling well. Yes, you become a weak. Yes, no? You can't active. That's why we have to need the food. Yes, everyone's need a food. This food I am going to teach you. Okay. In food, what things are included? Yes, in our food, which items is consist of, that we have to learn today. Okay, see here, unit number 3, our needs. Lesson number 1, our food. We use our food for a number of activities and movements. We work and play. So our body needs energy and strength. Yes, we are playing, we are working, and because of that, we need food for energy. Yes, for energy, for strength, we need a food. We get energy and strength from the food we eat. Food is essential for all living beings. It helps us to build our muscles and bones. Food makes us grow. Yes, if we are not eating food, what will happen, children? You will not be a grown up. Yes, that's why we have to eat food regularly and properly. Yes, our food consists of, see children, in our food so many things are there. Can we see these items? Cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruit, fish, meat, milk and eggs. Yes, our food consists of cereal, pulses, vegetables, fruit, fish, meat, milk and eggs. Yes, in our food, this all types we have to eat properly. We get energy from these things. Yes, children, see first cereals. Jawar, bajra, nachni, and rai are some of the cereals from which we can make bhakri. Yes, from jawar, bajra, nachni, rai, we make a bhakri. Do you know bhakri? Yes, everybody knows the bhakri. Your mother is making now at home. Yes, this is a bhakri. Wheat is used to make chapati. Yes. How we have to make chapati? With wheat. Yes. Rice is cooked and eaten with a dal or vegetable. Yes. Rice. Everybody know rice. Yes. We are eating bhakri, chapati and rice. And these are the cereals. We call them cereals. Jawar, bajra, nachni, rai, wheat, rice. These are the cereals. These are the cereals. We call them cereals. Yes. Now next, pulses. What is next? Pulses. Peas, green grams, matki, masoor, chaudi and wal are some of the pulses. We get dals like tur, udid and chana from pulses. Yes, in pulses what things are included? Peas, green gram, matki, masoor, chaudi, wal, tur dal, udid dal and chana. Yes, they are the pulses. We get energy, we get proteins from that pulses. Yes. Now next, vegetables. Vegetables supply vitamins to the body. Brinjal, cabbage, snake gourd means padwal. pumpkin, bitter gourd, karela, lady's finger, bhindi, and cauliflower are some of the vegetables that can be cooked and eaten. Yes, these are the vegetables. So many vegetables name are here. Potatoes, yams, sweet potato, and onions are some of the roots that can be cooked and eaten. Yes, we can eat so many vegetables are there, and we can eat cooked after and we eaten. Spinach, palak, fenugreek, methi, chawli, kardi are some of the leafy vegetables that can be cooked and eaten. Yes, all these vegetables we can cook first and we can eaten. Understood? These are the vegetables. Yes. Now here salads. Here, salads. Carrots, tomatoes, cucumber, radish, beetroot, and onions are chopped finely to make salads which can be eaten raw. Yes, we can eat these salads raw, in a raw. These vegetables we can cook. We have to cook this vegetable. Then we have to eat. But here salads we chopped and we can eat like this only. We can't cook it. Yes, that's why we call that salads. Oil, ghee. Oil is made from mustard, semen, teal, groundnuts, sunflower, and coconut. Similarly, ghee is made from milk, vegetable products. Yes. Now we learn about cereal, pulses, vegetables, salads. Now here we need ghee or oil. What type of oils are there? Mustard oil, sesame oil, groundnuts oil, sunflower oil, and coconut oil. And we have to use ghee also. In a ghee, we can make with milk. Yes, how we have to make ghee? With milk. Sometimes vegetable products also we can make ghee from vegetable products. Okay. Now yes, fruits. Everybody knows fruits. Banana, guavas, apples, mangoes, chickus, papayas, oranges, grapes, sweet lime, pomegranate, fig, watermelon are fruits that are loved by the young and the old. Yes, everyone's like fruits. These are the fruits, and this fruit also we have to eat. Regularly we can eat one fruit necessary. Okay, next milk. Yes, this is a very important for our body. Milk is the most nourishing food. We get milk from cow, buffalo, she goats, etc. Children and the sick people should have enough milk every day. We get cream, butter, curds, paneer, and cheese from milk. Yes, so many products we can get from milk. Cream, butter, curd, paneer, cheese. Yes, we can get from milk. And milk is a very important food for our body. We have to drink daily 1 glass of milk. Okay. Now next, the care of our diet. The most important questions about our diet are: what makes a proper diet? What should be eaten? When should it be eaten? Yes, what we have to eat properly? What should be eaten? When should be eaten? Growing children should eat 4 meals a day. Yes, growing children should eat 4 meals in a day. Breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, snacks in the evening, and dinner at night. Yes. For breakfast, they should have chapati, paratha, bread, butter, poha, upma, etc. Then they should drink milk. For lunch and dinner, they should have a variety of food. items like cereals, pulses, vegetables, and salads. It should be a balanced diet. After meals, they should eat fruit. Yes, we can, in a breakfast, we can eat, yes, chapati, paratha, okay, poha, butter, bread, butter, like this, and also milk. And in a dinner, we have to eat cereal, pulses, vegetables, and salad. Means you have to eat dal, chapati, sabji, okay. After meals, they should eat fruit. After meals, after eating food, you have to eat compulsory one fruit, okay. Now here, for evening snacks, they can have roasted gram chanas, sweet biscuits, wafers, homemade vada, or samosa. Yes, in the afternoon means in the evening we can eat biscuit, wafers, homemade vada, samosa, etc. Yes, children, means we have to eat 4 times: breakfast, then lunch, then snacks, and then dinner. In the breakfast, you can eat chapati, parotha, yes, no, poha, upma, like this. And in a lunch, you have to eat compulsory sabji and chapati, okay. And in a evening snacks time, you have to eat wafer, biscuit, like this snacks. And in the evening when dinner is there, again you have to eat chapati, dal, sabji, okay. This is a good balanced diet for children. Understood? Now here, see, remember, chew your food well. Wash your hands well before and after eating. Do not talk with food in your mouth. Eat at fixed hours. Breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, snacks in the evening, and dinner super at night. Do not overeat or else you get a stomach ache. Do not waste food. Do not eat stale and uncovered food. Avoid eating from the roadside stalls. Wash fruit and vegetables before eating or cooking. Do not eat too much of sweets like chocolates, biscuits, and ice creams. Eat with a peaceful mind. Yes, these are the very important things for you children. Understood? This is our lesson in a EVS book, our food. Our food. Understood?